Okay, good morning first period students. So trigonometry chapter already completed. Yesterday what did we discuss the topic totally trigonometry, briefly explain total trigonometry, briefly explain the total trigonometry. Yesterday what did we complete? First to all sin theta equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, sin theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, opposite side by hypotenuse, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, so this one. And next one, sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, this type of formulas. And next one, quadrants, first quadrant to second quadrant to third quadrant to fourth quadrant. In four quadrants, which functions are positives in first quadrant, second, third, fourth? In four quadrants, which are positive, which are negative? By using this formula, all silver teacups, all silver teacups, all means all positive. Once again, this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. In 0, initial 0, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. In first quadrant, all means all functions are positive. All functions means sine, cos, tan, secant, cosecant, all functions are positive. In second one, silver, all silver as per sine, reciprocal of sine, cosecant, reciprocal of sine, cosecant. Next, all silver, T, third one, T for tan, and reciprocal of tan, cot. All silver, T, cups. C for cos reciprocal, secant. This one. So in first quadrant, which angle is 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Not 90, 90 is exactly 90 is the on the line. This is 180, 270, exactly 270, 360. Below 90 in the first quadrant. Next, 0, above 0, 0 plus 0 to 90 means 0 plus 1, 0 plus 2 means 0 plus theta. Next, 360, first 0 to 90, 180, 270, 360, and next 90, 360 plus 90, second revolution. First revolution up to 360, second revolution, the starting 360, 360 plus 90, 360 plus 180, 360 plus 270, 360 plus 360, the second revolution. Okay, so the second one is 90 plus theta, 90 to 180, 90 to 180 means 90 plus theta, and 180 minus theta, below 180, 90 to 180, exactly 180 on the line. This is below 180, above 190, above 90, below 180. This is 80 to 270, above 180, below 270. Okay, next this is above 270, below 360, and also 0 minus theta. This is the positive angles, first quadrant and positive theta. Theta means first quadrant, minus theta means fourth quadrant, negative angle. This is the positive direction, this is negative direction, anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means, clockwise direction means this is 1, 2, 3, the left to right, clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction means right to left. Anti-clockwise is positive direction. Okay, this one. So next all are discussed 90 sin 90 minus theta, sin 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta which quadrant? 90 minus theta is the first quadrant in the cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta, secant 90 minus theta, cosecant 90 minus theta. So in first quadrant all are positive. First we have to decide sign plus or minus. All are plus because in the first quadrant all are positive. Okay, in the first quadrant all are positive. So 90 plus or minus theta, this one 90 plus or minus theta, 270 plus or minus theta, these type of angles will become, that function does not change, function will change. Sin changes to cos, cos changes to sin, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, secant changes to cosecant, cosecant changes to secant, this one. Okay, cosecant changes to secant, this one. These type of angles, 90 minus theta, 90 plus theta, 270 plus theta, 270 minus theta, this type of angles. So 180 plus or minus theta, 360 plus or minus theta means does not change. Same function, sin function sin a, cos function cos a, tan function tan a, or any function, the same will come. So 90 minus means the functions will change. So how to change? Sin changes to cos theta, cos changes to sin theta, tan changes to cot, cot tan, secant cosecant, cosecant secant, this one. Okay, next plus 90 plus theta, in the same way 90 minus theta are completed. Next plus theta, 90 plus theta, sin cos tan are all. So 90 plus theta which quadrant? Second quadrant. 90 plus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant which are positive? Sin positive, all silver, sin cosecant, sin positive, cosecant positive, the remaining are negative, the remainings are negative. So 90 plus means what? Every function will change, sin cos, cos sin, tan cot, cot tan, this one. Next 90 plus, next one 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, cos 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta, tan 180 minus theta, cot 180 minus theta, secant 180 minus theta, cosecant 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant sin positive, cosecant positive, remaining are negative. So 180 minus plus or minus theta means function does not same function will come. Sine function, sin a, cos cos, tan tan, cot cot, secant secant, cosecant cosecant. Next, plus theta, 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, which are positive? In third quadrant, tan positive, cot positive, the remaining are negative. So 180 means function does not change, the same function will come. Okay, next one. 180 plus 180 minus. Next 270 minus 270 plus. Sine sine 270 minus theta, cos 270 minus theta, tan 270 minus theta, cot 270 minus theta, secant 270 minus theta, cosecant 270 minus theta. 270 minus theta in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan cot positive, remainings are negative by the diagram. So 270 means 270 minus 270 plus means function must be changed. How to change? Sine changes to cos, cos changes to sine, tan changes to cot, cot changes to tan, secant to cosecant, cosecant to secant. This is one. Okay, next. Plus 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are positive? All silver teacups. Fourth quadrant cups C for cos. Cos secant to positive. Cos secant to positive, remaining negative. Cos secant positive, remaining 4 are negative. So 270 plus same way. What is the same way? 270 plus 270 means functions must be changed. Sin cos, cos and tan cot. The already explained. Okay, this is recall. Next, 360. Sin 360 minus theta, cos 360 minus theta, tan 360 minus theta, cot 360 minus theta, secant 360 minus theta, cosecant 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta in the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, which are positive? Cups. Cosecant to secant to positive. Cos secant to positive. Remainings are negative. So angles 360 minus 360 plus means function does not change and same function will come. So sin a, cos cos, tan tan, cot cot, secant secant, cosecant cosecant, plus 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta, which quadrant? 360 0, 360 plus, this is the first quadrant. 360 plus theta also first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. All are positive. 360 plus 360 minus means function does not change. Same function will come. So same, sin sin, cos cos, tan tan, cot cot. So many examples are there. Sin 135. Okay, one more examples. Okay, listen, look at this. Okay, next. Next one, already known angles, sine 90, 60, 30, 45, these are known angles. We are known angles. Next, sine 180, sine 270, 360. This is how to find this one. Okay, next. Sine 180, sine 180 degrees. Sine 180 degrees is equal to value. Sine 180 degrees is equal to sine 90 plus 90. Sine 180 degrees is equal to sine 90 plus 90. Sine 90 plus theta. Okay, sine 90 plus 180 means 90 plus or 90 minus, 180 minus or 180 plus, this type of conversion. So 90 means 60 plus 120, this is not correct because this is quadrant, each quadrant difference, each quadrant 90 90 difference. Okay, so that's why that is the type. 90 plus theta, A quadrant, 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, sine is positive or negative? Sine is positive. So 90 means sine changes to cos 90. But cos 90 value 0. Cos 90 value 0. At the same way, cos 180 degrees. Cos 180 is equal to cos 90 plus 90. Cos 90 plus theta, second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sine cosecant to positive, cos negative. 90 plus means cos changes to sine 90. That is equal to minus 1. No. Tan 180 degrees is equal to what? Sine 180 by sine 180 degrees by cos 180 degrees. So 0 by minus 1. 0 by anything equal to 0. Next, cot 180 degrees is equal to 1 by tan 180. 1 by tan 180, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equal to what? Not defined. Next, secant 180. Secant 180 is equal to 1 by cos 180. 1 by cos 180. Cos 180 is equal to 1. No. 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. No. Next, cosecant 180. Cosecant 180 is equal to 1 by sine 180. Sine 180 how much? Sine of 0. 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 0 not defined. Next, 270. Sine 270. Sine 270 is equal to 180 plus 90. 180 plus 90. 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta, which quadrant? Third quadrant. In third quadrant, which are positive? Tan, cot positive. So, sine negative. 180 plus means same function. 180 plus 180 minus means same function will come. Sine 90 is equal to minus 1. No. Sine 91 no. Minus sine 90 equal to minus 1. No. So next, cos 270. Cos 270 is equal to cos 180 plus 90. Cos 180 plus 90. Cot 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant, which are positive? Tan, cot. All are third quadrant. So third quadrant tan, cot remaining negative. So cos negative. మరి 180 means same function cos 90. Cos 90 is equal to 0. So next tan 270 degrees. Tan 270 is equal to sin by cos. So minus 1 by 0 is equal to not defined. Cot 270. Cot 270 is equal to 1 by tan 70. 1 by not defined is equal to 0. 1 by infinity equal to 0. 0 by anything equal to infinity. 1 by infinity is equal to 0. Not defined. So secant to 270 degrees is equal to 1 by cos. 1 by 0 is equal to not defined. Cosecant to 270. Cosecant 270 is equal to 1 by sin 1 by minus 1 equal to minus 1. This. Okay, next 360. Sin 360 degrees. Sin 270 plus 90. 270 plus theta. 270 plus theta, which quadrant? 270 plus theta, which quadrant? Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sin negative. Which are positive? Cos secant 2. So negative. 270 means function must be changed. Sin function changes to cos. Cos 90 equal to 0. Okay, cos 90. Cos 90 0. Sin 91, cos 90 0. Next, cos 360. Cos 360 is equal to cos 270 plus 90. 270 fourth quadrant, cos positive. 270 means cos changes to sin. Sin 90. Sin 90 is equal to 1. Tan 360. Tan 360 is equal to sin by cos, means 0 by 1. Tan theta is equal to formula sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1. 0 by anything equal to 0. Cot 360 is equal to 1 by tan. 1 by 0 not defined. 1 by 0 not defined. Next, secant. Secant 360 is equal to 1 by cos 360, and 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So cosecant 360 is equal to cosecant 360 1 by sin 360. 1 by sin. 1 by 0 equal to not defined. So many angles. These fundamental angles 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, 180, 270, 360, 720, and next 720, and so on. We not finite, infinite. So how to calculate above 90 degrees? Above 90 degrees, this type 180, 360, 270. This convert into any number, any angle is convert into 180 plus or 180 minus, 90 plus, 90 minus, 360, 270 plus, 270 minus. This type. You convert into this type and go to quadrants. This quadrant, the first quadrant, which are positive, negative. This signs also important. Signs important. The first quadrant or second quadrant. First quadrant, which are positive, which are negative. This how first decide signs. Next, that function will change or not. Change means you have to change. Okay, this type. So table. And draw one table, totally 0, 30, 45 table. How to draw the table? First you In up to SLC, what is the trigonometry angles table up to 90? Here in the PUC, up to 270, 360, 720 and so on. You can interest. Draw the table and read perfectly. Here you can do. Okay, you can do or not. Sin 0, we have our first two 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, already explained. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, sin 180 0, minus 1 0. Next cos 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 0 1. Tan 0, 1 by root 3, 1 root 3, not defined, 0, not defined, 0. Next cot, not defined, root 3, 1 by root 3, 0, not defined, 0, not defined. Next secant, secant is equal to 1 by cos, 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 1 by 0, not defined, fifth one, minus 1, not defined, 1. Next cosecant 1 by sin, 1 by 0, not defined, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, 1, not defined, minus 1, not defined. This one. This is the new table. This is perfect. All are we have the perfect. Okay. This one. Next, another formulas, very important one, simple one. Sin of minus theta, sin of minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of minus theta is cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Cot of minus theta is equal to minus cot theta. Secant of minus theta equal to secant theta. Cosecant of minus theta is equal to minus cosecant theta. Or next compound angles formulas. Okay. Tomorrow I will discuss the compound angle formulas, and next we'll go to the next chapter, complex numbers. Next go to the complex numbers. Okay. Thank you.